Hi parents and students. I'm going to show you how to use the Cheek Talk 4 without jacks. Looks like this. There are suction cups on the back so you can grip it onto the table. There's just 4 buttons, fun colors. You can slide in pictures here for when I show you how to record for whatever you need. It's pretty simple. You just this is the on and off switch. You just turn it on. Um, and right now there's
Mary had a little lamb.
so it just sings Mary Had a Little Lamb when you push the buttons. But you can also record um your own sayings for each button. So and you'll turn it on about halfway, and then here's the microphone. And all you do to record something new is press the record button and whatever button that you want to record onto. So let's try it. Yellow. Let's see if it works.
Yellow.
So that's all. It's pretty nice. There's big buttons so that if your kiddo doesn't have great fine motor movement, they can
Yellow.
just click the big button. And it doesn't move. It's a pretty simple communication device, but be really nice, especially when you're learning about like choices and I don't know. If you want to know more, ask me some questions.